Is Rehan's second flight today, and I hope he's doing very well. Don't go back, baby. Fly closer so I can make you a nice video. Yep. Yeah, you're doing very good now. Something wrong. Make a landing. Yep. Turn round and then make a landing. Up. That's it. That's good. Well done. You got it. Was something wrong? What do you feel? What was wrong? Was the prop loose? Was noisy or what?
It was a bit noisy.
Why it was noisy? Put the throttle down because your sister is going to get it. So tell me what was doing.
I was flying well, but maybe the prop was a bit.
Prop? So we need to go and check it. Okay, you go. Your sister start the motor.
The throttle.
No, you just put the throttle up.
Okay.
Ready? Fast. Okay. Try again. You have a battery?
No, I need this one. No, I need the other one.
Alright, go one more round and make a nice perfect landing. I'm recording.
Okay.
Now, try again, go back, turn around, turn. Don't go on the road, Rehan. I told you. Go back.
Now try again.
Yep, from the bottom, yep. Good boy. Yeah, this time you get it, okay?
Yes.
Alright, come buddy.
Buddy, come.
Come buddy. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get it. Well, what the hell was that? It's a landing gear, but you did well.
Thank you.
That's alright. So, how was this flight? What are you going to say? What was wrong? Can you check it? The landing gear, why is happening? Put down. Now it's done.